How to change your Pinterest profile to private. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Pinterest on your device. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. And here, click on Settings at the bottom. After you click on Settings, click on Profile Visibility. And here you'll find Private Profile. Turn this on. Get started, and your account will be private. You can also hide your profile and boards from search engines by turning on Search Privacy. After you do this, another thing which you can also do is go to the board you want to hide. Click on the three dots at the top right. Click on Edit Board and Header Image. Here, in Visibility, turn on Keep this board secret. If you don't want others to see this board, keep it secret. Then press on Done. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to change your Pinterest profile to private. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.